Piao, or mind this year, Mamuna Aquaba, aha, a fear ni fear, assign Eddie, a shiamu, a biemu. And I said, the munim no dane da ye ba, the bebo my gun and puntu, the air coswa, menu mienu, ye dia no tumubia, or mine bebe pija, e won in puntu. Ye na fix the country agenda no, and yet a one-man show, a collective effort. And nobody is going to sit on the fence. We are all going to put our hands to board to make sure the country is fixed and fixed for us. Now, who can fix the country now? Who should fix it for you? You got to fix your mind and attitude first. And into Mr. Why doing ya? It is said, Sebi Wabadam. Now, we say amount driver's license. It puts the whole country at risk. We will not do that. We have to set our attitude and mindset first. Because at the end of the day, whoever will be a leader of the country is chosen from within. It's chosen from us. Not without. If you're a foreigner, you can't be a leader. You can't be president of Ghana. And this is not omanpanyi free because he had me in India. Then omani be just like Kufado is doing. Or yeah, not doing you or person will be a school free no. Will be a cop. The big shout to the president, the able president of the republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. The man, the visionary man. Oh wow, you can hate him. Me still, what time pray kwa? What time pray kwa? You bet my time. But na topa de nyame ni akono. You can hate him. You bet my time. But na mamu untouchable, unbreakable, unprecedented. It be mada. Onu otimi bu maya man your opposition akono ka se ade we awe ye no kra me na de buy. Meanwhile ye de ba no okuntia Nana Addo no otimi bu man nana onkwaso ba bia wo bia ye gidi se nyame adom one oba panyi ma Rebecca mo ho ye no fro tabra ba ye suma mansan oba tan wo de oba ye no ameka se yemfa Ghana iska ma nkohwe bo wa America wo si Ghana mo fra ye wo mo mu ti wo boa amianya incubators Ghana esi esunya de ma ya adwemu bie nti wo boa amianya library ni nyina no oguso eye maame nyame enhira maame Rebecca ye nya also. Now, having said that, you know, obetimi a na wa share no wa follow the amaye yeda wasi bebre. Ene de asem ne yeka, ye koda ye sore ya, ye se maame bia bebie na no akasa. Kasa ben ya ekohwe ya, sebi kasa ensuo nyina mu. Sebi kasa ento asom. Sebi kasa. Sebi yedi dum sufin kura na yempe. Now before me come amene so no, ma mindi kan tinsi ababa wa Zenator Rawlings ni June 4th message na obegina okekan. Zenator, wo de mi ti penso ne ma nchen wa me no be epe. Zenator, wo ba be kire probe and accountability, right? Hey! Go dig your father's grave and ask him. Oh papa ba ya. Opeja ma so ni moi you are disgraced to womanhood. Oh papa woni ma entin o prayer me history every Ghana adisuam no. Oh papa odoba sre to ha e de sre to ha na sojafo atwa na ha mu ma. Go and ask. During your father's regime ye de atudro woni ma atudro gunpowder etwa oba because when yesika or born humode or kokwanso o papa say then wuska. Did your father account for all this? My friend, papa no wakoda. Let sleeping dogs lie. We want to keep quiet on certain things. But so obejina ho to ayampia we will teach you where you belong. O papa play na utu ya. Wo de kwa keka awie mu a wo se pa should na mkofa. Go and ask your father say, "Fu na egu pray mu papa oni ba bi eto no." Ne dia na plane na your papa dia amaye japade na ode be church o plane tu no chese o papa say Ghana education no sesa amukogu Switzerland amukoko school no ene why doctor yen ye de ye jimi o be kire nyansa meboa Zenator, I don't think you thought twice over your comment. Now o papa tia sekura sa dwum for no ya ndisi for ba. Why do you allow yourself for them to use you as a bait? Zenator, a Dr. Mua. Reason. Look at how this particular party, bunch of criminals, wicked people from political party, NDC. Look at what they did to your mother. I'm telling you, now Papa Tia se kura no money neka, ye ne krokronka, ye niraya de o. Untimi asase nyaka endidi apoto yuom. Enti oba, wo de wo se wano odin wano katikati a me catch us oba wo ton nyado a wo nton tuduro. Na so also be kon dirty a. Wan hwe ya ye du afro no mu a. O be pese agro nimbu. Enso na fe na ye sini dem. Enti sansensam ni mfre ni masan be no probe na kanta. Share, prove yourself first. Do you know how your school fees were paid? O papa ba ye wo kunkum krofo gugu nyuma se ebi manya sika dodo. Their crime was that o manya sika dodo. Anunti adwuma ne aguno. Let's sleeping dogs lie, okay? Zina? To. Makramai no de wada no maninda ho wate. Mienkotutu nsamu ma. Ube ya shut up. Na sabi uyo obi a odwen kwa akira na dua nkantakuma atenase anase atenase ewuntakuma ube tenase tonko. Zinato. Osu krotefo ze kolefo no no omono, you don't know, you cannot tell. Say mo at the expense of mo ono ede ne ba akotena brochire ama wa nko school ne ba ko school oba ya o se ne ba ni medu so na wakosan lie no wakoto aba mazenato no waja Philip Addison, a lawyer. All in the name of me, NDC, me pay NDC, politics. I don't blame you. Muria, moto about front and time say ya. Must say, you fixing the country. Now, you say, a leadership near they call fix the country. Now, leadership, they come from within. Crows who crows and one for baby as an auto MP. And I am one you would shut up. You can't Ghana politics. Shut up. You can't Ghana politics. Zenato, shut up. You pesi beto ne crowd because of the normal beer. If you who say abe ye na ye tia kwa ye kura wasa ababe jira ho no mu ebeto to ayambia. Hwe. Na pokwa punso kra ya no mo se nkwan a enkyire twam. What I want fan to baby na mama na wakwa ka asamo say Ghana mabunu no kra na manya brain so in the person of Jane Nana Opoku Ajiman mame hwe wonim na wo hwe me wonim na 2020 election year ko yi wana na ehye kabadi John Mahama echi say no running mate no ono a NDC for running mate no a o mo si o munya no so da o se wo ye professor me ba be kire no ne yakotro wasi. At the end of the day, Ghana yakoye dinkunim di osebo aba. Ye nyina ye boje mofre iso so ma ya de because amidst COVID-19, it took only courageous students to learn, sit, write an exams and pass. It took only courageous and serious students to learn, write exams and pass amidst COVID-19. And the mofre ye nyina ye ya ho wa ye bo maba so. Ya the free SHS eba. NDC was able to lure some youth, say free SHS, and yet onto the streets to demonstrate against its implementation. Free SHS 419 NDC. Mamofo say you can say abro intina ben 40 Ghana down for intina NDC woho. So Ghanaians, let us be wise. Let us wise up. Me say 4 after 8 agenda is feasible. So MPP munka muhumum. Na mo be ka che say ade ye free bia nye. Ti free SHS nye. Nyansani be ma bo ada na adodankwa Akufo-Addo say me pese oman no ye peja, nye be peja. Let us conscientize the youth by inculcating knowledge. And yema education ye free. Na omu nyina ntimi nkwan kenkan hunu na ne de wiase na ko dunu no munkutia ya under the able leadership of Napo Opoku Prempeh Matthew Nana yetwa okusin free SHS aba aya kono na mo be sha ase nkura ni bi kwa omoda form na mo na mo common sense in reason say a parent who could not have paid a school fees for ne ba no ukofia ne ba no ntimi ntom pamane na so na say me ubeko school free no ukoda form eko school free eni so utifie na beda mpa so wanko school and this for person omo kire say enkankura ni tifie kura nke ya moma nkwanke ye because o agenda no propaganda na propaganda ni chese ade ye fitaa ne de be ma o say blue white ye de be bro say blue when you ati kakra bi a they cannot beat you nti omo pese obi abeko school bia nya na ka munyina ti bonko so nti omo ba ade white po omo say blue no omo de boom Ghana for enti omo be kunti ai mo ka kire say ade ye free bia nye nya asofo binum ti bonko so ade sofo nkrofo bi omo fro omo ho sofo fake pastors bi ebe kasa ti ai ba nya ho ne mo kasa ti ai ade na ba ye resource ba ye ne kire say onkrofo na twa 418 students 411 from Ghana 1 2 3 wow e bin si da and who former minister of education now running mate of John Mahama in the just ended election ye bebi sa ho asema enkanyansa mu no eno an so osimi hwe ka na wo mami nchira wo ebia na wo rafi wo baaye no NDC mu de onya baaye no mo de krono abo wesu enti MP mu otimi gi double salary eno in the public domain omutimi nya confirm ka kire se confirm na tu ko Burkina in the public domain omutimi ko fa Hyundai Grace ebesi wonum say ambulance gi ho ka in the public domain onu no NDC for na timi ko Brazil so omuto okube ba ko $3,000 it is in public domain with free ankra timi suwa sika bank money laundry NDC ko chese krono na obaye na omo bo wasu no amza wa ambe nhuye na oben yakura ne ye be chew o first attempt aye krono maame wuni maame kai wo na me ne wo kasa no wuni maame kai wo jena na opoku ajeman NDC running mate wuni maame kai wo so be call dirty politics. You are very lucky, I'm telling you. Why you lucky? Say politics of insult, we are dividing ourselves from that. Na kanyesa na sama wako kanu se panyika etena fia ene minu ye behwe ana mo ba ka kire yen say wa resign as a lecturer ewo UGC CC or whatever University of Cape Coast na wa resign no ukwaya running mate ama John Dramani Mahama no problem entimi shewo ukwaya na abosomi wi na run ho akatua so beto account mu a wo se mafa Sagana fwenye anye fast pe nka kroma wo de ko ye kan ase ai nkwohwe ukwoye na osika so ate sa amount no se 1 million se hwan ate a nka wo betena sa ye nkwohwe ka be boye kro no wo de sha ase enye sa ya nchiwa ka wo de sha ase enye sa na se wakwatena a whole television eso ne ebisa wasem se wo hu ni san a wo se ai ye to apom ankura no mami Fawanu twitwu fom was asem na okan ye no ho fawanu ko twitwu fom me se Ghana youth munyina mon sori na mon forso ma mon tata na ba bi obia be hye mon tanu man ko withdraw that statement no because its implication who janis ha so papa now asem na okan say ye di apo ene ma mo na mo de ko twro ye no the person to we discreditable wa ukosu enti matan amomanom ye pe scholarship amomo e wa amanone maame na sani nyina wa sana tie de gu gari no akanu enti montata no ma onko twesa asem ne nsan na me aya na ye mo NDC for no mo kasa enti wo de enra asem so esi ye nso wo nkai maame me se me mpesa ma no betia wo asem a waka anya na me ka cho se nye we are penny, utifie, Nasa said, yes, nsuom na nsuom na kwatam firi ho entra ho hwehwe hankas maybe ye dey ahye dem kra unko fam besi wo mane mfo wo ye minister wo sra pro sei wo sre apro tankan kan sei wonam koka se obi nkura ne sre yi wo ye minister a teacher for kra na ntimi ntu omoka come on talk one time mommy wait time number you will not give you chalk no well poto wo time exams here try am I ye twam sa apo apie ampa na apo apie ma the exams were cancelled wo be ka kire ye say yakoto apo ne man kra no nti e no ma pass mama mind this for you so nye beto no mo agenda enti so mo ka asem tro se koka na se bi wa anwe hu na koka da bia ene ye de aba bo papa me say youth of Ghana ye tro wasi atwa agi credit ama o na ma me no ka kire ye say ye de apon ye nyina ye we #withdraw the apo Momani withdraw. Monhwe ema maame no ontwe nsan nye saa ukope scholarship wo baabi a wunya bi udi wo certificate no di ko school wo baabi a ye be ka cho se wo krom ho no it is alleged say ya mama po urobi antimi an challenge no eninti ye mfa wa ankasa kura ha no ye minus man obeso o kire wo say wa de awusu ani na wo ye tibon koso ya ma apanka untimi exams ankura atro kura be didi attempts exams na edin dodo no wuti ha no mo ka kire say ye koto apo and the invigilators na maami sabi mpanyifo se no kura ebokuru no yenka enti wo de asam kan o nya sanete enti sanka de wo ka no eye no kura and you can't mine more or my assemi a no cray, o can't mine collapse. Was a mechanic collapse. Mammy, o cassa, dream whom you know. And this why you are going to say, said the NDC call dirty politics, you know. Oh, but that a chenuma war naya. Ye be wo so more room. Why? Mammy Penny, a wide one a professor, Mwana who called Jane. Who gave you that degree? One now, sir. What ye be a professor moi politics inti what to ni na atwene once wo dream bone na unyansa aso wote I'm telling you wo dream bone na unyansa aso wote adwen bone na wo dream minyi ni say wo share that say wo be sanate agugarim na mu adwen bone ba otrim na unyansa aso wote maame kona kwatwe san wate do the honorable thing akura wase maka nwe ya asem ni ho. So I can we go back and withdraw. For no could you from what's handsome now beka and yet and fata. Me say, Sassam now beka and fata mammy penny. So be view or no. So back or trons of her bass me banny a trap upon a demand. Win evidence. Bia, what can keke? One can hold them, what television so at the social media. Do you know the implications? Oh yeah, I can't free SHS. Oh, to I am pia home. Why didn't you apply it? If a year for Samawa, one never can't one no boss so to I am piano. I then our time, one farmer. Nyamuna makacha say free SHS in just 20 years. No be say ne. Now we can do it now. No aya. Oh, Sabe Jina Juan Casa. Woye no so nyese woye se no results e ba no ye positive ye positive results now san be sisa nate e de agu nkura COVID-19 wo matena se asua control exams garing oya mamofo madam I must be honest oya mamofo I have to tell you the truth, yes, just as it is. Telling you the truth, so your mama phone. I don't think it's an insult because it takes only before to do that. Thank Krakotro, Martaya Sabi, or Municipality to Mumma school fees. I saw Mumma crying. I do a mocha credit to a Mumma Rema, one cray, cotres, I'm say by. No more they quack pay admission. Yet the be call a manone. I could pay scholarship a moma, Ube Drunia, say now Pukwajiman. Running mate of John Dramani Mahama for NDC say, ya mama po, so we cannot accept it. Near side or maba, Abetna Ghana. Oh, say no. Madam, I did one year small huna nim hunyansa and yan show. And this is for the dear. Unimwa may catch it all. I then or mumu uncle can woman this smile. I then or mumu be uncle can one year this smile, say Conaco Yano. Just why a professor. We a professor. Now, and this no man, not professor. Huh? Wumbe mununa professor ni ye careful. And this assembly there me see youth of Ghana, wasi student, candidates, graduates, ye na yen sorry, ni yen koma amenu so. Onko twinsan because yen pebud na keke bia we learned, we wrote, we passed. So we came, saw and conquered. Madam, kwa twinsan yen uni asem. Nemum dirty politics. Don't involve yourself. Don't go there. Now, hot, baby. I'm telling you, this is free advice. And next time, you be cow size boom so I may know na pepe. Babube. The better was it, or the four, Yami in Sham said Danny Dana, Oba, no share, no follow. You be Koswa, Asmo, my Ghana. I say 4 after 8 are feasible. 4 more after 8 to do more. Thank you. God bless you.